What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a delicious, super simple green chicken curry recipe today. It's going to be absolutely delicious. We're going to be using some pre-made curry paste, so it's going to be extra simple to make. So let's get right to work. Okay, so let's go over our ingredients really quick. Here I have some avocado oil that I picked up at a really good price at Sam's. This is the cold pressed stuff, so it's really good quality. I have some chili flakes that I ground up myself from some Thai chilies for heat. About a quarter cup or a third of a cup of coriander, freshly cut. About 4 cloves of minced garlic, probably about 5 cloves there. 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. You could also use fresh ginger, much better actually. 1 cup of coconut milk, and this is the stuff that comes in the carton. So it's lighter, it's not going to be as rich and heavy, but it will also be less calories and fat. I have here about half of red onion diced, about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast cut into small cubes about 1 inch, and I'm using this Thai Kitchen green curry paste. And this stuff has really clean ingredients, no preservatives. Everything is pretty much natural. Green chili, garlic, lemongrass, galangal, Thai ginger, salt, shallot, spices, and kaffir lime. So that's all the ingredients that are in this product. I guess I ripped off part of the label when I opened it, but it's really good. The spice is very fresh, and you can pick this up at any grocery store. So this is what I'm using for that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get to work on our pan with the aromatics. Okay, with the pan in medium-high heat, we're going to drop about a tablespoon or so of avocado oil. Garlic, onion, going to just saute them for about a minute or so. They become fragrant and a little bit translucent. So now we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of green curry paste. Go ahead and stir that in. Stir it at heat to medium. We're going to add our chicken. After this, we're going to add a chili. I'm adding in about a 1/2 teaspoon or so. Add a little bit more green chili paste, just about a teaspoon. Stir that in a little bit. And we're on medium heat at about 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to go ahead and add the coconut milk in. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of ground organic ginger. There we go. Stir that in. Mix all of those spices and flavors together really well. Once we have it bubbling like that, we're just going to cover it, and we're going to put it on about 200 degrees, 210 degrees, and we're going to cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes and then come back so it thickens and it reduces. Alright, so it's been about 25 minutes and the sauce has reduced down and thickened. I added 1 tablespoon of flour to thicken it more. Now I'm going to add my cilantro. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. And it smells amazing. That ginger and the spice that they use on that paste is really, really good. It just smells really, really good right now. Alright, so basically we're going to give this about another 30 to 45 seconds just for that cilantro to kind of release some of its oils. Then we're going to come back and serve it over rice. So there we are, guys. Here is this beautiful green chicken curry. It didn't come out so green, but it is beautiful and it smells amazing. I'm gonna add just a little bit of diced tomatoes for color, and also just to have a kind of like a little bit of a cold veg there, and a little bit of fresh cilantro over the top. And look how beautiful that looks. I'm serving it over brown basmati rice with cilantro. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give this recipe a taste and let you know what it tastes like. It's amazing. I really love that paste. It gives it a really nice taste. I think it's the galangal that gives it a taste similar to ginger. I definitely get some ginger. Amazing flavors. The sauce is thick because I had to add flour to it. If I would have used whole fat coconut milk, it would have probably been thicker without adding that. But it's still thick, it's good, it's savory. The cilantro gives it an amazing flavor. This sauce is amazing. It's got a nice amount of heat. Really, really delicious.